chili today, hot tamale. Here we are, the gap between the holidays. You've been stuffing your face at Thanksgiving, you're getting ready to stuff your face at Christmas with all kinds of fatty, sugary, carb, delicious goodness. You want something lighter, but you want something that's going to stick to your ribs. It's cold out, so you want something that's going to make you warm. This recipe for chili, it's amazing. It's not traditional chili, so all you Texans back off. But it's got animals, it's got vegetables, it's got minerals and vitamins and all kinds of nutrients. If you're on the Weight Watchers program, it's almost 0 points. It's freaking delicious. We're going to make it, so let's get it done.
So we're going to start off in a very large pot, in my case 5.5 quarts, with 1 tablespoon of light olive oil. You can use whatever oil you'd like. I'm using light olive oil. Medium-high heat. Then we're going to put in our onions. 2 medium onions, roughly chopped. We're not looking for Michelin stars. We're not looking for uniform perfection. This is chili, and it's supposed to be rustic, if you will. We're going to sweat these down until they're translucent. We're going to add a little bit of salt so it helps extract that moisture. Just a pinch or so. Doesn't need a lot. Once those are translucent, we're going to go in with 4 cloves of garlic that have been roughly minced. Again, doesn't have to be uniform. We're not going for the Michelin stars. We're just going for the flavor. 2 pounds of 99% lean turkey breast, ground. We're going to put that in there. And we're going to brown it. Turkey doesn't really brown, but you're going to cook it, chop it up. You want smaller bits of turkey. It's going to be cooked. It's going to be delicious. Our spice blend, 3 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and a half a teaspoon of red pepper flake. We're going to give that a nice mixing. Get it all incorporated and evenly distributed. Now we're going to go in with 1 can of the popular brand of diced chilies and tomatoes to the heat level of your preference. It comes in mild, medium, and hot. Do what you like. Don't drain it. Juice and all. Get it in. Get it mixed. Our vegetables, that is 3 small zucchini and 3 small yellow or summer squash that I cut into half-inch, quarter rounds. So cut it in half long ways again, and then half-inch slices. Pop a little more salt on there to, again, help draw out that moisture. Give it nice mixings. You want it to incorporate fully. You want to distribute everything evenly. You want to let it cook down. That's going to give up a lot of moisture. That's going to reduce. The water's going to come out and help give us a little bit of a broth, if you will. Just like that. Now, once you're at this point, we're going to go in with 2 15-ounce cans of beans of your preference that have just been drained, not rinsed. In my case, I'm using pinto beans and red kidney beans. You can use black beans, navy beans, pink beans, all kinds of beans. Whatever beans you like, just 2 15-ounce cans drained. Get them in there mixed. Then 1 10-ounce can of tomato sauce. This is plain tomato sauce from a can. It's not the Italian seasoned or basil and garlic. It's just plain tomato sauce. If you go with the low sodium one, you're going to definitely want to add salt. Get it fully mixed, and then we're going to just let this simmer over low heat for probably about 20 minutes or so. And then to thicken it up, I'm using a 1/4 cup of masa or pre-cooked cornmeal and a 1/2 cup of water. Make a slurry, drop it in, stir it up, and that's going to thicken that sauce. And it's going to be delicious. And that's it. We're going to let this simmer for a few more minutes, and it's done. Plate it up. Give it a taste for salt and pepper seasoning. Adjust as necessary. And then in your finest snowman bowl, plate it up. Look at that. That is beautiful. That is healthy. It's got all kinds of good stuff in it. And it tastes amazing.
Oh, look at that. This is the way I like to serve it. Rice, jalapenos, some cheese, some sour cream. The cheese and sour cream probably negates the healthy factor, or at least makes me feel better about it. Not that I care that much. So let's dig in. Oh, and rice. I like rice. That's good. That's damn good. So there you go, folks. Chili, turkey, zucchini, and squash. They need to rename them so they rhyme. But anyway, if you like this recipe, if you made it and you had a good time, put it down in the comments. Let me know how you did. If you want to see me make something, you have any suggestions, drop that down in the comments. You want to tell me I suck? Awesome. Drop it down in the comments. Most important thing is that you like and subscribe and come back next time. So thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. We'll catch you on the next one.